Namaste, welcome to my channel and welcome to this advanced class. It's a short sequence to prepare us and to bring us to the posture called Bird of Paradise. It's a very nice balancing posture which requires open shoulders and open hips. So we are going to prepare for that, starting straight away in Malasana. Staying here for a few breaths, and it's good if you have already done a few sun salutations, if you've already warmed up your body, because the sequence is short. I'm already warmed up, so be mindful. Don't try to force yourself into the posture. Go just where is good for you. We sit back and we go into the fire log. So this is called also sometimes double pigeon. We bring the right ankle on top of the left knee and the right knee on top of the left foot. It's quite strong for the hips, for the hip rotators. It's preparing us to open the hips. We can stay here for a few breaths. Very good posture also if you're a runner, great. If you sit a lot, also great. Inhale, back to the center, and we change to the other side, bringing the left foot on top, or left ankle on top of the right knee. The left knee on top of the right foot. Never force yourself into this posture. If it's not happening, then let it be. Can be strong for the knees, so if you notice any pain on your knees, please back off. Never force your knees in any posture, it's not worth it. You should be feeling it here and never here. And we inhale, we release gently, and we come to standing. The next posture that we're going to do is the goddess posture. So opening the feet to the sides, we bend the knees to 90 degrees and we bring the fingertips on the mat. We are keeping the chest open, chest up. This will also work on your thighs, on your quads. And inhale, coming to the center, going to the top of the mat. We inhale, raise the arms, exhale, fold forward. We step the right foot back and we come up into the high lunge, extending the right arm forward. We bring the left arm on top for Gardasana arms, the eagle arms. Here. Pushing on the back leg. As we exhale, we release the hands on the mat, step back into the plank, bring the knees, chest, and chin. Inhale into cobra, exhale, downward facing dog. Stepping the right foot between the hands, we come into a twist. So the Namaskar hands, pressing the palms against each other, pressing on the back heel. The back leg is extended. Finding a nice deep twist here. And release. Hands on the mat, both feet together. Inhale to the center and exhale, release. And we do this to the other side. Inhale, raise the arms. Exhale, fold forward. Step the right foot back, the left foot back this time. Inhale into the high lunge. Extend the left arm to the front. Bring the right arm on top. Garudasana, arms on the other side. Keep the balance by pressing on the back heel, by keeping the back leg extended. Release the arms, bring the palms on the mat, step back into the plank, knees, chest, chin. Inhale, cobra. Exhale, downward facing dog. Step the left foot to the front. Inhale, bring the hands in Namaste and come into a twist. Pushing on the back leg, on the back heel. Exhale, release the hands on the mat, step both feet together and come up. Inhaling to standing. And we're going to step the right foot back, finding the feet for Parshvakonasana, the extended side angle. The front knee is 90 degrees. And first we bring the elbow on top of the front thigh, and we're going to extend the right arm over the head, staying here for Parshvakonasana, opening the chest. You can stay here, this is the first option. If you want a little bit more, then you can rotate the shoulder of the upper arm, bring the hand behind your back and interlace both hands, bind both hands underneath the thigh. You can walk the back foot gently towards the front and see if you can find the bird of paradise, extending the upper leg. Here, open your chest. The standing leg is strong. And you can slowly, with control, come back into your Parshvakonasana, extended side angle. Always with control and inhaling to the center, and we do this on the other side. So we open the right foot to the side, we bend the right knee 90 degrees, we bring the elbow on top of the thigh, extending the left arm over the head. And this is a perfect option. You can stay here if you wish. If you want to bind, again, rotate the upper arm, bring it behind your bent leg, your bent thigh, bind the hands behind the right thigh, and very gently start walking the left foot towards the center of the mat. You can also stay here. You can stay with the leg bent or see if you can extend it. This one is more difficult. Open the chest and release. There was less control on this side, so there's always a lot to learn, as you can see. Well, I hope you enjoyed this sequence. If you have any questions, please let me know. Remember to subscribe to my channel. There's one video coming every week. So, thank you for watching. Thank you for practicing with me. Namaste.